What does this sign mean? A. Service area 30 miles ahead. B. Lay-by 30 miles ahead. C. Minimum speed 30 miles per hour. D. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. Minimum speed 30 miles per hour. Which sign means that the national speed limit applies? A. B. C. D. The correct answer is A. What does it mean if you see this signal on the motorway? A. Leave the motorway at the next exit. B. All vehicles use the hard shoulder. C. Sharp bend to the left ahead. D. Stop, all lanes ahead closed. The correct answer is A. Leave the motorway at the next exit. What must you do when you see this sign? A. Stop even if the road is clear. B. Stop only if a red light is showing. C. Stop only if children are waiting to cross. D. Stop only if traffic is approaching. The correct answer is A. Stop even if the road is clear. What could you do to help injured people at an incident? A. Give them a warm drink. B. Keep them warm and comfortable. C. Give them something to eat. D. Keep them on the move by walking them around. The correct answer is B. Keep them warm and comfortable. At an incident, how could you help a small child who isn't breathing? A. Talk to them confidently until an ambulance arrives. B. Open their airway and begin CPR. C. Put them in the recovery position and slap their back. D. Find their parents and explain what's happening. The correct answer is B. Open their airway and begin CPR. What does this sign mean? A. Cycle route. B. Road charging schemes. C. City centre. D. Speed camera. The correct answer is B. Road charging schemes. If you see alternatively flashing red lights, what must you do? A. Continue driving because the lights aren't working properly. B. Stop. C. Call police immediately and report the faulty traffic light. D. Drive slowly and carefully. The correct answer is B. Stop. You come across the following sign. What does it mean? A. No ridden or accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses or ponies likely to be crossing the road. C. No horse-drawn vehicles. D. Beware of horses. The correct answer is A. No ridden or accompanied horses. The road is wet and you're filtering past a line of queuing traffic. Why should you take particular care if you ride on painted road markings? A. Painted road markings can be slippery when they're wet. B. You won't be seen in driver's mirrors. C. You won't be able to see the road studs. D. Painted road markings create more spray than normal road surface. The correct answer is A. Painted road markings can be slippery when they're wet. What's the national speed limit on a single carriageway? A. 40 miles per hour. B. 50 miles per hour. C. 60 miles per hour. D. 70 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 60 miles per hour. What information can be found on a motorcycle's registration document? A. The registered keeper's name. B. The date of the MOT. C. The service history. D. The type of insurance cover required. The correct answer is A. The registered keeper's name. When may a motorcyclist carry a pillion passenger? A. When the rider has a full car license and is over 21. B. When no sidecar is fitted to the machine. C. When the rider holds a full license for the category of motorcycle they're riding. D. When the rider has successfully completed compulsory basic training, CBD. The correct answer is C. When the rider holds a full license for the category of motorcycle they're riding. How long is a compulsory basic training, CBT, certificate valid? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. For years. The correct answer is B. 2 years. When can you carry a child as a pillion passenger? A. When they're over 14 years old. B. When they can reach the floor from the seat. C. When they can reach the handholds and footrests. D. When they're overly years old. The correct answer is C. When they can reach the handholds and footrests. Why is it dangerous to travel too close to the vehicle ahead? A. Your mirrors will need adjusting. B. Your sat-nav will be confused. C. Your view of the road ahead will be restricted. D. Your engine will overheat. The correct answer is C. Your view of the road ahead will be restricted. You wish to turn right ahead. Why should you take up the correct position in good time? A. To allow drivers to pass you on the right. B. To allow other drivers to pull out in front of you. C. To give a better view into the road that you're joining. D. To help other road users know what you intend to do. The correct answer is laughing face. To help other road users know what you intend to do. How will your journey be affected by traveling outside the busy times of day? A. Your journey will use more fuel. B. Your journey will take longer. C. Your journey will be more hazardous. D. Your journey will have fewer delays. The correct answer is laughing face. Your journey will have fewer delays. What will be affected if the road surface becomes soft in very hot weather? A. The tire grip. B. The suspension. C. The exhaust emissions. D. The fuel consumption. The correct answer is A. The tire grip. Where is your vehicle most likely to be affected by side winds? A. On a busy stretch of road. B. On an open stretch of road. C. On a narrow country lane. D. On a long, straight road. The correct answer is B. On an open stretch of road. You're traveling on the motorway. How can you lower the risk of a collision when the vehicle behind is following too closely? A. Switch on your hazard warning lights. B. Increase your distance from the vehicle in front. C. Brake sharply. D. Move onto the hard shoulder and stop. The correct answer is B. Increase your distance from the vehicle in front. What's the main hazard shown in this picture? A. Parked cars around the corner. B. Vehicles turning right. C. Vehicles doing U-turns. D. The cyclist crossing the road. The correct answer is laughing face. The cyclist crossing the road. What should the driver of the car approaching the crossing do? A. Continue at the same speed. B. Sound the horn. C. Drive through quickly. D. Slow down and get ready to stop. The correct answer is laughing face. Slow down and get ready to stop. What should you do as you approach this cyclist? A. Flash your headlights at the cyclist. B. Try to overtake before the cyclist gets to the junction. C. Rev your engine so the cyclist knows you're following behind. D. Slow down and allow the cyclist to turn. The correct answer is laughing face. Slow down and allow the cyclist to turn. What would you do if you see older people crossing the road ahead? A. Wave them across so they know that you've seen them. B. Tap the horn in case they're hard of hearing. C. Rev the engine to let them know that you're waiting. D. Be patient and allow them to cross in their own time. The correct answer is laughing face. Be patient and allow them to cross in their own time. Why should you look carefully for motorcyclists and cyclists at junctions? A. They're harder to see. B. They may want to turn into the side road. C. They might not see you turn. D. They may slow down to let you turn. The correct answer is A. They're harder to see. Where would you see this sign? A. Near a school crossing. B. At a playground entrance. C. On a school bus. D. At a pedestrians-only area. The correct answer is C. On a school bus. What should you do if the left-hand pavement is closed due to street repairs? A. Use your right-hand mirror more often. B. Position close to the left-hand curb. C. Speed up to get past the roadworks more quickly. D. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. The correct answer is laughing face. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. What should you do when you're following a motorcyclist along a road that has a poor surface? A. Allow the same room as normal to avoid wasting road space. B. Follow closely so they can see you in their mirrors. C. Overtake immediately to avoid delays. D. Allow extra room in case they swerve to avoid potholes. The correct answer is laughing face. Allow extra room in case they swerve to avoid potholes. What should you do when you're passing loose sheep on the road? A. Briefly sound your horn. B. Herd them to the side of the road. C. Pass quickly but quietly. D. Go very slowly. The correct answer is laughing face. Go very slowly. Which vehicles aren't allowed to use the right-hand lane of a 3-lane motorway? A. Motorcycles. B. Motorcycle and sidecar outfits. C. Vehicles towing a trailer. D. Small delivery vans. The correct answer is C. Vehicles towing a trailer. Why is it important to make full use of the slip road as you join a motorway? A. Because you can continue on the hard shoulder. B. Because there's space available to turn round if you need to. C. To allow you direct access to the overtaking lanes. D. To allow you to fit safely into the traffic flow in the left-hand lane. The correct answer is laughing face. To allow you to fit safely into the traffic flow in the left-hand lane. What color are the reflective studs between the hard shoulder and the left-hand lane of a motorway? A. Green. B. White. C. Red. D. Amber. The correct answer is C. Red. What should you do when you're approaching roadworks on a motorway? A. Stay very close to the vehicle in front. B. Speed up to clear the area quickly. C. Always use the hard shoulder. D. Obey the speed limit. The correct answer is laughing face. Obey the speed limit. When are you allowed to stop on a motorway? A. When you wish to pick up hitchhikers. B. When you need to walk and get fresh air. C. When you need to use a mobile telephone. D. When you're signaled to do so by traffic signals. The correct answer is laughing face. When you're signaled to do so by traffic signals. Traffic officers operate on motorways and some primary routes in England and Wales. What are they authorized to do? A. Stop and direct anyone on a motorway. B. Stop and arrest drivers who break the law. C. Repair broken down vehicles on the motorway. D. Issue fixed penalty notices. The correct answer is A. Stop and direct anyone on a motorway. When may you stop on a motorway? A. When you're tired and need a rest. B. If you have to read a map. C. In an emergency or breakdown. D. If your mobile phone rings. The correct answer is C. In an emergency or breakdown. What signal should you give when you're going straight ahead at a roundabout? A. Signal left when you're approaching the roundabout. B. Signal left before leaving the roundabout. C. Signal right when you're approaching the roundabout. D. Don't signal at any time. The correct answer is B. Signal left before leaving the roundabout. You're turning right onto a dual carriageway. What should you do if the central reservation is too narrow to contain your vehicle? A. Wait until the road is clear in both directions. B. Emerge slightly to show your intentions. C. Stop in the first lane so that other vehicles give way. D. Proceed to the central reservation and wait. The correct answer is A. Wait until the road is clear in both directions. What shape is a stop sign? A. B. C. D. The correct answer is B. In winter, road signs can become covered by snow. What does this sign mean? A. Crossroads. B. Turn right. C. Stop. D. Give way. The correct answer is C. Stop. You're riding a motorcycle on the road. What should you do before using your mobile phone? A. Increase the separation distance to 4 seconds. B. Turn on the speakerphone function. C. Stop in a safe place. D. Slow down to 20 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. Stop in a safe place. What should you do when you're riding a motorcycle in very hot weather? A. Ride with your visor fully open. B. Slacken your helmet strap. C. Wear trainers instead of boots. D. Wear protective clothing. The correct answer is laughing face. Wear protective clothing. What should you do if your visor becomes very scratched? A. Replace it. B. Clean it with petrol. C. Wash it in soapy water. D. Polish it with a F-in abrasive. The correct answer is A. Replace it. What will be the benefit of having your motorcycle engine properly maintained? A. It will have lower wind resistance. B. It will reduce your journey times. C. It will reduce your insurance premiums. D. It will have lower exhaust emissions. The correct answer is laughing face. It will have lower exhaust emissions. You're riding a motorcycle during the day. What would help to make you more visible to other road users? A. Wearing a brightly colored helmet. B. Wearing a dark jacket. C. Switching off your headlights. D. Wearing a black helmet. The correct answer is A. Wearing a brightly colored helmet. What should you do if a driver begins to emerge into your path from a side road on the left? A. Brake hard, then wave them out. B. Slow down and be ready to stop. C. Let them emerge, then ride close behind. D. Turn into the side road. The correct answer is B. Slow down and be ready to stop. Why are young and new motorcyclists involved in more incidents than other motorcyclists? A. They don't maintain their motorcycles. B. They use borrowed equipment. C. They lack experience and judgment. D. They ride in bad weather conditions. The correct answer is C. They lack experience and judgment. Why is someone new to motorcycling especially vulnerable? A. They are not used to wearing motorcycling gear. B. They don't understand the rules of the road. C. They lack experience. D. They're more alert than older riders. The correct answer is C. They lack experience. What's most likely to cause a motorcycle to skid? A. Riding in wet weather. B. Riding in the winter. C. Cornering too fast. D. Catching your foot on the ground. The correct answer is C. Cornering too fast.